All right, what is going on, everybody? I hope everybody is staying safe, washing their hands, and not having too bad of a time in quarantine. I'm definitely having a lot of fun at my house, my little home studio, making videos for you guys. So I just wanted to give you a quick little update on everything that's going up on YouTube today. There is a guitar warm-up. I'm going to put a video up about how to tune your guitar. You might want to have your parents help you out. I know some of you, mom or dad, might be able to do it because they know how to play the guitar and they know how to tune guitars. If not, just call Marlo. She'll be able to help you. All right, so the first thing I want to do today is go over Eye of the Tiger. So we're going to work through this whole song. It may or may not be a concert tune, but at the very least, it's something that we can learn together now under these circumstances. So let's jump right in. I'm going to change this up so you see my guitar. All right, so we are starting on fret 8. So go ahead and count up to fret 8. 1, 2, 3. All right, come on. All right, so we should end up on C. So after C, we're going to back up to the 6th fret, and you can probably go ahead and do this with your first finger for now so that you can kind of switch quickly between C and B flat. So, before we get too far into the song, there is a 4-measure intro. So it's going to start on C. We're just going to play this note with the hot dog 8th note rhythm like this. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 2nd measure 2, 4, 3rd measure 2, 3, 4, and then 4th measure 2, 3, 4. And then at this point, the whole band is going to articulate these hits that sound like this. C, C, B flat, C, C, B flat, C. And then after this part, we're going to go all the way down to our 3rd fret, which is my dot right here. And we're going to play 1 G and 1 A flat. So we get this. So all right, let's skip the immediate intro and we'll go to the hits. So C, C, B flat, C. 2nd time, C. And then here we're going to play C, G, A flat. C, G, A flat, 2, 3. Let's do that again. Let's do it 3 times in a row. 1, 2, ready, go. So C, C, B flat, C, C, B flat, C. Now we're going down to G, C, G, A flat, 2. Let's do it 2 more times in a row. So C, C, B flat, C, C, B flat, C, C, G, A flat, 2. Last time. All right, quick little break, reset. So back to C. 1, 2, here we go. So C, C, B flat, C, C, B flat, C, C, G, A flat, 2, 3, 4, C. One more time. C, A flat, or B flat, C. And then C, G, A flat. Very cool. So now we're going to get a 2-bar transition. So we're going to hang on C for 2 more measures like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then at this point, we move into the verse. But so far, let's go ahead and play everything we have so far. So 1, 2, from the top, we'll do the intro, we'll do the hits, and then we'll do the transition. So it'll sound like this. 1, 2, here we go. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 2nd measure. 3rd measure, 2, 3, 4, and then the 4th measure, 2. Now we go to the hits. So C, and C, G, A flat, 2. Let's do that again. C, C, B flat, C, C, B flat, C, C, G, more times all together before we transition just by holding C for 2 measures. 2, and then now we're going to go to the verse. So the verse chords are C on the 8th fret, A flat on fret 4, B flat on fret 5, or 6, I'm sorry, and then we're going to go back to C. And just so it's clear, Roy, or anybody who's playing bass, these are going to be the exact same fret numbers, just in case that's not like super clear. So your C will be the 8th fret on the bass as well. So yeah, let's tackle the verse really quickly. This isn't too bad of a song. So C, 2, 3, 4, A flat, 2, 3, 4, B flat, 2, 3, 4, C, 2, 3. We're gonna do C again, 2, 3 to A flat, 3 to B flat, 2, 3, C again. Cool. Quick rest. Let's do that again. 1, 2, here we go. So C, rising up, A flat, 2, 3, 4 to B. Took my time, took my chances. C again to the distance, now I'm back on my feet. Just a man with his will to survive. Very cool. So in verse 1, this is the only time we do this, we'll play that part 4 times in a row. So next comes my favorite part, the chorus, obviously. So we're going to jump down on the 8th fret, and we're going to play an F on string 5, but on fret 8. So it's right underneath C. This is what it sounds like, so make sure we get there. I'll give you a second to find it. So fret 8, string 5. Alright, so this is F. We're going to hold this one out for 4 beats, so it'll sound like this. 2, 3, 4. And then after that, we're going to jump down to E flat on fret 6, still on string 5. We'll play this one for 2 beats. 1, 2. And then we're going to jump up to the 6th string on the 6th fret and play B flat for 2 beats. So let me play this one time. Just listen. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. E flat, B flat. Cool. All right. The second time we get this really, really cool riff. So we're gonna go F again. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then C for 1 beat only, and then B flat for 3 beats. So let me play this second part of the chorus. So it sounds like this. 1, 2, just me right now. So F, 2, 3, C, C, B flat, 3, 4. Alright, so let's put together everything we have so far in the chorus. So it sounds like this. 1, 2, ready, go. So F, eye of the tiger, E flat, B flat, rising up through the challenge of our C, B flat, 3, 4. Alright, one more time, just that much. Ready, go. So eye of the tiger, it's the thrill of the fight, rising. F2, 3 to C, C, B flat, 3, 4. Alright, nice. So the third time around, we're going to play the first part again. F again for 4 beats. 2, 3, 4. E flat, B flat. And then the final time around, we get this really, really cool riff. Check this out. So it sounds like this. And he's watching the stars of the tiger. So we get this little walk up. So I'm using 2 fingers, and I would suggest you guys do the same. I'm using finger 1 on fret 6 and finger 3 on fret 8. So my fret numbers as I work up, it's going to be like this. 8, 6, 8. 11. So one more time. And then once I get to that A flat on the 11th fret, I can do that Mississippi rhythm that we talk about a lot. I'm going to go Mississippi, Mississippi, stop of the, so. So notice how I'm alternate picking. You'll have been practicing this with the guitar warm-up that I'm posting on YouTube. But yeah, so I'm alternate picking that last part. So I'm going Mississippi, Mississippi, half a beat. Of the tiger. Alright, so that's all 3 sections. Jam out to it. Do me a favor, go on Homeroom and post a little video of you practicing this. I want to see how it's going, and let me or Mr. Max know if you have any questions. And I'll be posting some more content on there. All right, stay safe out there.